Hello everybody, it's Josh from Blackout, and I want to tell you guys about a really cool project we just did on this brand new Porsche Cayenne. So this car was bought new at Porsche Pittsburgh just a couple of weeks ago. The car only has about 70 miles on it. The owner of it brought the car in so that he can get it protected in a couple of different ways. So number one, we installed XPEL paint protection film on the entire hood, the front bumper, the fender flares, and the rocker panels, as well as the rear flares and the mirrors. That is a physical barrier, very thick, almost invisible, and you can tell on camera you probably can't even see that it exists at all. It's going to stop rock chips and scratches and just overall make sure this car stays in really great condition for a long time. The other thing that we did is a Ceramic Pro Gold package. So this has 5 coats of Ceramic Pro on it. That gives it a really insane gloss. I don't know if you can catch it on camera. The sun's hitting it right now, but the reflection and gloss of this thing is awesome. We did a paint correction on it first to remove any imperfections, and then we coated it. That will help protect it from environmental damage as well as make it really easy to clean. That ceramic surface is very slick. Things don't like to stick to it very well. And then lastly, we installed an Escort bumper mount radar detection system, and that includes radar detectors front and rear as well as laser shifters. Basically what that does is jam police laser. All of this is 100% legal in Pennsylvania. The only place it's illegal is Washington, D.C. and Virginia. You can see on the front of the car here, the radar unit itself is mounted completely stealth behind the plastic. The laser shifters are mounted up front here. They have to be visible. They have to be able to see the laser coming in. So this thing is very well protected from just about everything, including most police threats. We're going to get in, take it for a ride, and show you exactly how that radar detector works. Hit with K-band in the front. Still getting K-band. And now it's K-band rear. So it's telling us where it's at. It's telling us the level and also the volume. You can see the Escort Max 360 CI radar detector working very well paired with the Mid-City Engineering integration unit. That allows all the radar data to be displayed right inside the gauge cluster. It's totally stealth. We do still mount the control panel and the display inside the glove box of this car, so you have access to it for programming purposes and things, but works really nice.